Want to transform the background of your photos directly in Messenger? Here's how you can do it. Initially launch the Messenger app on your mobile device. Then click on the Meta AI icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Meta AI conversation. Next, click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the chat. When the menu appears, select Photo. This allows you to upload an image from your gallery. Now select your photo. Once your photo is selected, describe how exactly you want the background to appear. After typing your description, press the send button and Meta AI will automatically modify the background according to your instruction. Additionally, if you want to save the photo, click on the download icon and your image will be saved in your gallery. And that's it. You have successfully changed the background of your photo using Messenger.